Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is day 16. So I have the cat calendar. It's, it's not as pretty as it was when I first got it because blue is right here. I thought this would be the best one to start with today. Let's see, where is 16? It's way down here in the presents. Okay, blue. So used to talking to Smudge. All right, hang on, love, hang on. You'll have to sit. Blue, don't put your behind to the camera. Oh, there he goes when I'm taking the present out. Blue! Y'all, this is adorable. It is a little silver star. Isn't that cute? And you can feel, it says, I think all of the pillowy kind of, I think it all has the catnip on it. That is adorable. The star on top of the tree. Isn't that cute? I don't know what happened to blue. Anyway, let's open up the 25 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar from Macy's. This I got from Laura the Bargain Hunter and CC's Trail Size Life. And 16 is over here. And it has a tab at the top. Here comes Smudge. Ooh, this is nice. You want to come over here, Smudge? Well, come on. Whoops, let me put this down. Get it out of our way. This is Origin brand. Now, this is tiny for me to read, so let me show it to you. Isn't that a pretty bottle? Smudge, look what we got in the cat calendar. You like that? It's a star. Yeah. Let me see. I have to use the magnifying glass. This says Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment and Lotion. Oh, that sounds really cool, y'all. So it says it's a product. It is Origins, but this particular one is the Dr. Andrew Weil, W-E-I-L. He's a big health advocate, and he is his name is on this particular brand, or I mean on this particular lotion. I'm looking for some, no, there's no more information. There's, it's small, so there's ingredients and stuff on here, but that's really cool. I'm going to see if I love the color of the bottle. Ooh, let's see if I can smell it, or it might be sealed. No, it's not. It's not sealed. It smells like, it's just like a water, and it smells like essential oil. Can you see it's just a watery consistency? That's what it smells like, water. So I'm going to have to read more about it because it says it is a soothing treatment lotion. So it sounds almost like it would be like a toner. Okay. Like a toner or something, because it's already dried away. So that's what it sounds like. I will, read about it further. So thanks y'all for stopping by and seeing our calendars for the 16th. Bye.